guys, welcome to Brian's Garage. Today we're going to talk about door seals on 67 to 72 GM pickups. This particular truck has the glue-on style, and they've never been very good. You always have to kind of slam the door or close it firmly by the door handle. And over a period of time, the seals have actually pulled away from the weatherstrip adhesive, and they close much better now. As you can see at that edge of the door frame, well, the seal's not on it anymore. And ironically, even though the seal is not on there, this has reduced the wind noise inside the cab. So I think most of the wind noise comes around the A-pillar. And when the weatherstrip adhesive is off on the back side, it allows that to all close up tighter at the A-pillar. Anyways, so what are we doing? We're going to go to the salvage yard and try to find some Honda Civic from 2006 to 2011 door seals, because I am told, this is a tip I got, that these will work very well as a replacement for these glue-on style aftermarket weatherstrip. So that's our field trip for today, and let's go. Alright, we're here at the salvage yard, one of my favorite places in the world, the salvage yard, and I found a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic two-door, and fixing to pull this weatherstrip off. I don't think it's going to be too hard. I've already taken that one off, and I know all you need is a screwdriver, which one in here. There it is. And the only place you got to pry, down here at the bottom. Let me grab the other hand here. Just come in behind here, pull that up. Right there. Right there. Alright, she's off, right? And come up here to the top, just grab it, start pulling it down. Now I'll take this side. So, it's easy as that. Now this one here has got gray color to it. I'm going to see if I can find graphite, but I don't think I've seen any other cars out here that have good weatherstrip. So this may be it. Well, look at that, guys. Two pieces of weather stripping, estimated at 6 foot long at 99 cents per foot. I got both of those Honda Civic door weather strips for $13.84. Wow, that's cheap enough, huh? Alright, here's a quick look at the original reproduction weather strip. You can see how nice it looks up the A-pillar. Whoop, there we go. And across the top, it's all very black and fits nicely and just looks right in the truck. We'll see how badly the Honda looks when we're done with it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a quick video of me closing this door with the aftermarket reproduction weather strips. This is actually the better door. I've already done the driver's side. This one here closes a little easier, but it's still, you know, if I just it shut, okay. Yeah, it shuts pretty good. Like I said, this is the better side, but if I just, it's not going to just shut. Right? You've got to put your hand on there and give it a little oomph. So let me put the Civic on there and we'll see how that changes. Alright, we're going to take the thickness of the and compare the two weather strips, the original equipment reproduction and the Honda Civic weather strip. So let's see how thick they are. This, alright, so let's put this on here. I'm doing this all with one hand, and it says that squishes down to about, I don't know, 215 thousandths. Now here's our Honda weather strip, and that thickness right there is what we're after. So let's do that.
we go. Sorry guys, bear with me. Alright, what do we got? 220 thousandths. That's what it's saying. So they're about the same thickness, guys. But this is a lot softer, so we'll see how it works. Alright, I've got the Honda Civic Weatherstrip mounted on there. And now let's try to see how easily or hard the doors close. Alright, so we saw it before with the original reproduction Weatherstrip falling off this edge right here, right? It was off that edge. Now we've got full Weatherstrip contact. Let's see if it closes any better. Well, I don't know. Well, that didn't close that time. I didn't give it very much oomph. Okay, so it seems like it's gonna closes about the same as it did with the original equipment reproduction Weatherstrip, when that Weatherstrip had torn away from the back of the door jamb. So I would say that's an improvement. All right, let's take a look to see what it looks like in the cab. Remember before, the original equipment Weatherstrip blended nicely, was very nice. This is obviously gray. That's about the only color I could find, and I looked at several different cars. That kind of looks bad up there. It's not very consistent. That's not terrible, but it is gray. Not very consistent up the top. Maybe we could trim that off. I've heard of guys trimming off this extra piece. Around this vent outlet, you gotta squish it along the side there. Down at the bottom, I just put it over the kick panels there. Now I was not able to reinstall my my sill plates. I'm going to have to cut the ends of my sill plates off in order to fit them, because they will not mesh and follow the contours shape of this new Weatherstrip. I have to cut the ends off. So, well, I guess we're going to take it out for a drive and see how the wind noise is. All right, guys, I thought I'd do a comparison of the door sill wind noise at 70 mile an hour or so, and so we're taking it on the highway. This is with the glue-on original equipment reproductions. So we are at, well, we're at 60 right now. We need to get it up higher than that. Alright, we are 75 mile an hour. Alright, we'll compare that to after with the Civics once we get it installed. Alright guys, we got it up to about 75 mile an hour. I'm going to put the phone in the same, or the camera in the same place as before, and that's right about there. Now listen. I don't know, to me it sounds like it's quieter in here. I really do feel like it's quieter in here, so that's positive. There is some wind noise, but that could be coming around the batwing window Weatherstrip. So I don't know, I could possibly tape that off, tape the seals, and then run it again at this speed, see if that changes it, and that'll tell us whether or not it is the wing window seals. But this seems a lot better to me. So well, there you go. Alright, here's a sill plate. Here at the end, this will have to be cut off, maybe flush with right across here, possibly. That would work out, I think, but you're not really going to be able to get that on there because that is supposed to fit around. Well, I don't know, maybe if I trim off this edge, possibly, yeah, maybe, because there is an extra edge there. Hold on, let's take a look at that. Alright, remember how I was mentioned that this is kind of pulling away and looks kind of funny? That's just the way it is. We could trim off this edge with a razor blade. That edge right there. And then it would be black and look like wind lace. Huh. Well, I think I'm going to try that. I think I'm going to cut that extra bit that it's just for Honda, for their trim purposes. I think I'll cut that off, and maybe the sill plate will fit. Let's try that. All right, I've got the this piece right here cut off of the weather strip from the inside, and you can see that clears around that better now. And you know, it kind of looks like wind lace. You know, you're still going to have the gray on the bottom side, but it's not terrible. And now the door sill fits. Okay. Very nice. Yep, good enough anyway. Rubber tucks right up underneath here. Very nice. All good. All right, guys. I'm going to give this my approval. I think this is actually a pretty good upgrade relative to the factory reproductions. So, yep, recommended. Oh, I need to mention that I did not have to cut this door sill. It was the correct length. I didn't cut it. I just put it in there. And it is the correct length. It fits pretty much like it was made for the truck. I mean, this is a little puckered right here, but that's pretty amazing, guys. Pretty amazing. One last door shut. Let's try the driver's side. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, what? That door just closed? What? What? That door never closes that easy. Holy cow. This works, guys.